Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on VIVO Y27. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And here click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad. And here click allow. Now click on this button to start VPN. Then click OK and click consent. Now you can close this ad. And as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.